In today's video, we're going to be talking about affiliate marketing strategy. Yes, affiliate marketing strategy. And a lot of people are affiliate marketers and they have been in the business. Some people will say they are not seeing buyers. Some people will say it's a scam. Some people will say they are not making it. But the question is, how do you strategize? How is your strategy in getting buyers? What is your strategy? And which is what we're going to be discussing today on how you can strategize as a business person, how you can strategize as an entrepreneur, how you can strategize as an affiliate marketer to be able to get your prospective customers. So welcome to my channel, and my name is Alice. Please do well to subscribe to my channel and tap the notification button so that when I post the next video you will be able to see it. Please bring us to point number 1 of affiliate marketing strategy, and point number 1 is quality product. For product quality, how it is, you as an affiliate marketer or you that is selling the product, do you on your own, are you satisfied that this product meets the end need of people? Did it give the quality of that price that you want to sell it? If you're the one that is buying the product, are you satisfied? Can you chip it your chest and sell this product as quality? So when you are marketing a product, make sure that your product quality is high. Make sure that what you are selling is what you can be proud of to market for people to buy. So you have to look out of your product quality, how well it can serve people, how well the quality is when you compare it to other people's products. Product quality is very, very important in whatever business you are doing. Product quality is important in whatever thing that you are selling, because if I'm selling course and at the end the course is not meeting the need of why people buy it, I'm not sure that people will be able to buy it. So make sure that your product meet the need. Make sure that your product serve the need why someone buys your product. And this brings us to point number 2, price determination. Price determination. In the competitive market, how is your price? Is your price okay that I can leave that people's own to come and buy your own? Is your price okay that I will say this person is selling cheaper and is also of a good or of a quality product? Is your price determination different from others? Is it going to serve me? Is it going to also determine me buying your product instead of other people's products? So price determination is that discount that you want to give, that discount, and make sure that discount is not affecting you in any way. There's a way you will still do your discount, and at the end it will also benefit you. You will not be on the loss. So that price determination is another strategy that works a lot, and you will see these sales. I want to buy a product and I see two products and one is cheaper than other, and at the end it has the same quality. I think that should be an advantage for the seller, because I'm going to buy it because it's cheaper, and you will see how your product will sell massively because of the price of your product. This brings me to the next point, which is image. There is a difference between brand image and product image. Brand image is about your brand. The brand that you are selling, does it represent very well product? Does it tells very well about the product? Does it improve the product? Does it bring traffic? Does it bring traffic to the product? Brand image. Let's say now I'm selling something, or let me just use a blender as an instance. When I see the package of the product, let's say the package of the blender, number 1, it have already given me that feeling of this is what I want to buy, without not going through the manual or without not going through the description of the product. Based on the quality, based on how the brand image is, or based on how well packaged the product is, I am already convinced that this is what I want to do. This is what I want to do. And this brings me to the 4th strategy, which is communication. How well do you communicate with your customers? How well do you talk with them? How well do you explain this product to them? How well do you try to convince them to buy this product? How well or how detailed is your explanation? How polite can you be? How patient can you be? How strategic can you be? These are the things that fall under communication. There are some people that when you just open your mouth to say this is what I'm selling, they already tell you that they're not interested. But there are somebody that will also said the same thing. In fact, the person will even said more than what other person have explained, and you see a prospect calmly listening till the person finishes his or her explanation. That is communication. Some people can be asking you questions every time. The same, how much are you selling this thing? The next time, how much are you selling this thing? In fact, in the next 2 months, that see asking you, how much are you selling this thing? And that alone, if you're not patient, you fall off. So how well can you communicate? How polite can you be? So your communication also matters when you are strategizing in affiliate marketing. And the last but not the least, which is providing return guarantees for customers. Providing return guarantees for customers. Okay, assuring them, reassuring them, promising them in a truthful way and not in a deceitful way. Promising them, okay, if this product did not meet your need, I'm going to refund you. After buying this course and this course did not give you what you want, I'm going to refund you. After going through the course and you were not satisfied, I'm going to refund you. Or the person buying physical product, okay, after buying this product and you're not getting what you want, I'm going to refund you. And only that one will make the person to trust you, to make the person to relax, to do the business with you. It will make the person to be comfortable, comfortably doing that business with you. That is when you see somebody, even when you have not even paid, you will see them. Even when you tell them it's payment on delivery, people will even pay before you deliver the product, because they already trusted you, because they already relaxed with you. There is no room for doubts because of the way you guarantee them. That is why in business, build your trust. Make sure that they trust you. So in affiliate marketing, trust is very, very important. And how you make that trust, how you make your prospects to trust you matters a lot. If this video meets your need or you find this video interesting, please subscribe to my channel, tap the notification button, and do well to share the program for other people to see. See you in my next video. Bye.